Good morning. We'll just blow off the cobwebs because it's been a while. We've been hibernating for winter, but it is February half term. We are starting up our field trips again for the year, for 2025. If you're new here, I'm Hayley. This is Henley. Say hello.
Hello.
This is Jessie. Jessie, say hello.
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 That's James. We are the Field family, and today we are at Hertfordshire Zoo. This is what we've got coming up. Wow, Henley, Jessie, what can you see? What is it? Is it Jurassic Park? Oh my gosh.
Welcome to Jurassic Park. Let's go and see a dinosaur. Yeah, toes.
So it is the 15th of February. It is Baltic and very quiet, even though it's the start of our term. So we are here today to celebrate Henry's 3rd birthday. It's also a chance for James to live out his dinosaur dreams. And we haven't been here. So we haven't been here for probably 10 years. Maybe we'll insert a picture here of actually when we were younger than the last time we were here. Yeah, and you can see the differences. So we picked up a park map on the way in. We did see that there were sensory kits that are available for children, which is amazing. We didn't pick one up because we didn't think Jessie needed it, so we didn't want to waste it. What's on the map? Let's have a look.
Dinosaurs.
Anything else? Oh, there's a new area coming soon. I wonder what that is.
Where are we now?
Pretty simple map. I imagine we're probably at the dinosaurs.
Oh yeah, here.
So yeah, we'll do this bit first and then we'll probably try and head inside and warm up a bit and then head back out. Hello, where are you? Ah, dinosaur is born! Do me your best dinosaur. Give me your best dinosaur. Do your best dinosaur, Jessie. I think I can see a Stegosaurus. Pterodactyl. Show me your best pterodactyl. Whoa! Oh, I actually don't like that. To me, that's what all birds sound like and look like. Isn't that terrifying? No, sorry. Everyone thinks my fear is irrational. That is horrific. That is the stuff of nightmares. They're everywhere. Okay, well that's me never sleeping again. I mean, I know dinosaurs weren't all like fluffy rainbows and unicorns, but this is pretty savage. Excuse me. What's this one called?
Baryonyx.
Obviously, yeah. And it is the same height as 1.5 family cars. Do you mind, sir? I'm talking. Rude. Oh, this is the one I like.
Why?
is the same weight as 3 buses. We think we're funnier than we are, definitely. No, I'm sorry, that's just an alligator.
Well, actually, looking at its snout, I think you'll find it's probably a crocodile.
Should we go on that? We've got to go on that, haven't we?
Think I can touch it?
Oh,
I'm going to put it out there and say that that is slightly bigger than reality. Just by a touch.
just by touch because of all the other Triceratopses that you've touched.
Yeah.
Right,
Well, I've seen many. And that's too big.
that's right, he is as old as he looks. What's that then?
I don't think that's a real dinosaur.
You don't think that's a real dinosaur? As opposed to all the other ones here that are real. As in,
Man-made dinosaur from Jurassic World, not real. Never existed.
I didn't realise that Jurassic World fabricated the truth. I thought it was a documentary.
Hey.
Who's the alpha? The kids are ruining your...
You're looking at it. That's called a goose.
Daddy's making some bad jokes again. Say, Daddy, stop telling jokes.
Boys, there's a T-Rex behind you. Watch out. He's going to get you. He's chasing you. Quick, drive the Jeep.
If anyone is wondering, a T-Rex is the same weight as 3.5 cars. Which cars, though?
Nissan Micras.
Oh, okay. So, yeah. Are you enjoying your walk through Jurassic World? What should be your favourite dinosaur? A T-Rex. Wow. Look at that bad boy. Oh, excuse me, sir. Here you have a Jurassic Park fanatic dad in his element teaching his son all about dinosaurs.
I really like that they've put Jurassic World dinosaurs in here and created the scenes.
Is that cool?
Yeah.
That ain't a risky game, son. I don't know if you can see that bit, it's like some water coming out. Ah, got ya! Oh, look, exit through the gift shop.
Oh, here we go.
Standard.
Where's my wallet?
Yeah.
Oh, boys, I've left my wallet at home.
Oh no,
money.
we can't buy any toys. Look at that face.
Look at that, look.
That landed well, didn't it? Tough crowd. We're not getting an ice cream, darling. It's like -4. It's not really, it's like 3 degrees, but feels like. Oh, it's nice and warm in here though. Oh my god, I used to have stuff like this when I was a kid. You know those like 3D... Absolutely pointless, do nothing with it, but as a kid you love them. Yeah.
That was graceful. So this whole area, this has been here since I was a kid. This is exactly the same as it was when I was a kid.
I mean, it's quite cool. Like the train, fire engine, slide combo. And
I probably played on that when I was his age.
also just like the fact they get to play with all the buttons and stuff.
I'm a really big fan of this. Just an area where children with disabilities or difficulties can play. That's really inclusive and I really like that. So cool. I don't think I've ever seen that at a park. And I mean, you've seen the specific, like the swings in a corner of a park, but not a whole area that's dedicated to that. That's really cool. It is the start of half term, so it is very quiet today, and that does mean that unfortunately a lot of the food and beverage locations look like they're going to be closed for the day, but there is a couple of restaurants open, so we'll hopefully find somewhere nice to eat for lunch once we've finished burning off all this energy. You okay there? Jesse, when Daddy was 5, I've played on these. They've been here since I was your age. I don't have any shinfo, but what I do have for you today
Find that hard to believe, but
is shitfo. Let me explain.
It's the same thing. It's the same thing.
So my one lasting memory from this area.
Oh no, did you shit there?
No,
Oh,
obviously
I
not.
thought that's where it was going. Okay, sorry.
Yeah, last week. So there used to be like a boardwalk run that used to run around here that had like covered turrets in the corners, so there was little like rooms that you could run around. When I was their age, I was running along and some kid had just taken a dump in the corner of one of the little turret things. And it was just a big poo
I
sitting
bet
there.
you were the kid that went out
Ugh.
and told everyone. I bet you were, weren't you?
There's your shit. Was that worth it?
I mean, it's on par with the facts you normally give.
Fair.
Look at all my gracious angles. Why is there a little like hideaway? The parents can't access?
Where'd they go?
Kids!
Children? Yeah, like this. Like, so imagine running round here, and then there's a just big turd in the corner.
I mean,
That's what I had to experience, and that's my lasting memory of this place.
this is cool.
Yeah.
Me and James literally just had to like come down this slide because we didn't realise we could have just literally walked out there. So it looks like the food and beverage stands are just about to open after somebody told you they'd be closed all
Looked like
day.
they were going to be closed all day.
You've gone from Shinfo to Misfo. And we've just convinced the boys to eat their crisps over by the show. There's another show starting now.
Considering it's quiet, that's good that they're opening, though.
Yeah, we're shocked at how quiet it is. Oh, donuts! Donuts!
Who here has ever seen a chicken's egg? Yeah, do you know what
Somebody wants a donut. Look at him. He's like pointing at it.
Okay, so, boys and girls, are you ready? Here we go. Blue, let's do this. Ready? Click! Oh, she's ready. Stop your dinosaur feet! Whoa, she's doing it. Very good. And click! Oh, look for your baby dinosaur, Blue! Whoa, she's so good. And click! Look for the birds, Blue! Oh, she's looking for birds. Can you see any birds? Wow, fantastic. And here we go. Click! Give us your biggest, loudest roar, Blue! Whoa! Okay, boys and girls, and let's do one more. And let's be really cheeky this time. Ready? Oh, click! Blue! Shake your dinosaur bottom! Oh, Blue, well done. Everybody, and that's how we train our dinosaur from an egg to a big dinosaur. Dinosaur. Everybody give yourselves a big round of applause. Well done, team. Now,
Well, hold on a minute. These tigers aren't even real.
So you've seen the animals now?
Mummy, look, a tiger.
Yeah.
We had to come into the shop to buy some gloves. And we found some gloves, didn't we? They're not the gloves I had in mind. This shop's actually really nice. We were saying earlier, weren't we, that I think this is like almost where the lion enclosure used to be. Now it's a shop.
We were saying, I don't remember what I did yesterday.
I was
You
saying
remember
this, sorry.
what happened 10 years ago?
I could be wrong though. But yeah, it's a nice shop.
Brilliant. Yeah. I also clocked that there is a talk on of feeding or something. Oh, it's okay. It's at 1 o'clock. We won't run into that. I thought you were strategically planning that. Can anyone see an elephant? Can anyone see a crocodile?
Yeah, me. So yeah, at 1 o'clock there's a free flying bird display. Shall we get seated now? It's 11:45. Got an hour.
No point of this is funny. Also, it's not even raining. I've got this up for pure safety. Oh, our son's a turtle.
Hello there, Mr. Turtle. Jessie, I really think you've come out of your shell lately. I'm really proud of you. Hello. What does the owl say, Henry?
Oh.
Daddy, what's he looking for?
Me.
Probably Mummy's eyeballs. He's going to peck them out. Okay.
That's it.
And it was like,
Brilliant. Lessons have been learnt today. Nice one.
Mummy's scared of birds. Did you know that?
Mummy,
Everyone knows.
Mummy, you're scared of birds.
I am scared of birds because they're scary. I'm outnumbered here. It's not irrational. It's not irrational. It's a little bit irrational. Okay, so we come to Restaurant Pangaea, which is really, I think, the only restaurant here. Well, there might be another couple of them. There is another one. And this is what we've gone for. So Henry's got the nuggets and chips, the kids one. James actually went for a kids cheeseburger, which saved £4, and that is a big enough portion. That's plenty. Jesse's got the pasta, and he's very happy. We've gone for the hot dogs, so I've got no self-control. So all of that come to £30 altogether. But the thought of sitting outside in February with a packed lunch was just a no, so we swallowed that up. But everyone's quiet and happy, and we've got the best seat in the house.
Crazy Lima. He just keeps running around. I'll run this way. And then, oh, hello. And then I'll run that way. And then I'll run this way. And then I'll run that way. Oh, Oh, run the other way. And then I think run this way. And his friend's just sitting there going, "What are you doing? Why do you keep running?" What are you doing, Dave? Rub my chin. Right. And I'll come up here and I'll rub my chin.
Oh! He just tried to get you. See, I think a camel is your spirit animal. Because you always got the ump. There you go, riveting content on the back end of a camel. You're welcome. Please subscribe to our channel for more. What's got into Henley? Oh, he's turning around. Oh, is he turning around? No. Excellent. Hoping there's no cat in that cage. Oh.
No, you are. You're walking.
He looks like he's ready to have Henley for a snack. How do you think he likes his porridge? He's plotting his escape, I reckon.
They're always waiting for him, like, things happen.
Are you okay there, sir? Excellent. Tigers are hiding today. Where are they? So it's not indoors and it's not outdoors.
Maybe around the other side.
So yeah, it begs the question,
Daddy,
where's the tiger?
I think it's somewhere in the bush.
Do you think it's in the bush? It might be in the bush. Might be hiding. It's a bit of a shame, but I suppose you take that risk when you come to a zoo in February in the UK.
It might be somewhere in the bush.
It might be somewhere in the bush, yeah. We'll give up on the tiger and we'll go and look at a sheep. Something that we won't see on the M25 on the way home. Also, it's 2 o'clock and the boys' legs no longer work. Oh, am I gonna? So, cool. Oh, cool.
Well, I have to say, I'm disappointed that the fake tiger is the only tiger that we saw today. But never mind, and it's starting to rain. One last go around the shop and then home. Thoughts on today?
Yeah, it's good. I think it'll be a lot better in the summer. There's a lot that was open late or wasn't, like for example, we just saw a beach, but it's not
Raining.
It'll be lovely.
Yeah, I'm very sad that we didn't see any tigers. I know you can't help
I mean,
where the animals
don't
are.
blame them.
But if your kids like dinosaurs and your kids like animals
This is the place.
and your kids like parks and soft plays, it's good.
Yeah, so now we're just heading back to the car. Jesse's got his toy, Henry's got his ice cream, everybody's happy.
Is your ice cream nice?
He's the only kid I know that will eat an ice cream in like 3 degrees and rain. Keeps him happy. But hopefully you've enjoyed today. Please like and subscribe to the channel, it really helps us out. And we will see you on the next field trip.